How to set a default parameter value for a JavaScript function. I would like a JavaScript function to have optional arguments which I set a default on, which get used if the value isn't defined, and ignored if the value is passed. In Ruby you can do it like this. Does this work in JavaScript? From ES6/ES 2015, default parameters are in the language specification. Default function parameters allow formal parameters to be initialized with default values if no value or undefined is passed. You can also simulate default named parameters via destructuring. Pre-ES 2015. There are a lot of ways, but this is my preferred method. It lets you pass in anything you want, including false or null. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.